Good afternoon, sir. My son. Yeah, my father is usually a very funny man, Jerry. Don't mind him.
Sorry, I don't have anything to offer you.
Baba, I should be the one in the position to offer you something. I'm just sorry that I just have to come quickly to come and tell you something.
That's why I like it. You are a good son to me. Today I can't see you in my house. Hope there's no problem.
Baba, nothing difficult, nothing much, Jerry. I just came around to introduce this my beautiful queen to you.
You also left, now you are doing well. So you carry us go market.
Yeah, he's just saying that you're a beautiful lady and you are accepted.
Wow.
What is her name?
Baba, her name is Amaka.
No way, Amaka. You cannot marry this girl.
Baba, what is it again?
Amaka in my house?
Oh, what are you saying now?
No. How much do you have in your account?
Baba, forget about that one.
Is you have 1 million?
I love her.
Even Two-Face as big as this girl Amaka that's looking at Totoro. He's supported me, not
This is not Two-Face Amaka.
See, my son. Yeah, I like you. I don't want bad thing for you.
Baba don't like me. That's why I'm
Hey, you guys, find out. Don't like you guys.